Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray
Hey guys, what's up? This is your boy Ray Mack from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Today what we're going to do is a chocolate fudge pie. Let's break down these ingredients right now. I got some sugar, some flour, some Hershey cocoa, some salt, and then I have some evaporated milk, and I got some 4 egg yolks, some melted butter, and some vanilla extract, and then I have here a pie crust and a pie pan. So this is what we're going to do, y'all. We're going to do this thing. We're going to have something sweet, fellas. This is definitely something you can do for your ladies, and I guarantee you they will love it and enjoy it. So right now, let's get into this here video. Okay, y'all, I need y'all to see how easy this is going to be right quick. We're going to add our first 4 ingredients, which is going to be the sugar, your flour, your Hershey cocoa, and your salt. I'm gonna leave complete measurements at the bottom in that description in the show more section. Alright, you can take your wire whisk and just blend this together. I'm telling you, man, this is gonna be super easy. And if you want to make it even easier than what I'm doing it, put everything in the blender. I'm gonna show you that in another video. Guys, I'm telling you, man, fix this for your ladies. Now you can see all of this is incorporated pretty nicely. So we're going to take the rest of our ingredients, which is the milk and the 4 egg yolks, along with the melted butter. This don't take no time to fix. And with the vanilla flavor, mix them up. Get everything blended in right. Bring it all together. Like I said, you don't have to rush this. Take your time with it. But make sure you get everything blended in. Hit them sides. Don't worry about the lumps. Just go ahead and get everything blended well together. There you go. See how easy that was? That was easy. Chocolate fudge pie, y'all. Now we're going to go ahead and put that crust in our pan real quick. So let's go ahead and get to that right now. Alright, so I like getting the this here crust, man. Pillsbury pie crust versus me buying it, you know, the already frozen stuff. But I like this kind of better. I do. I like this one better. Now if you got a glass pie pan at the house, you know, 9-inch pie pan, it'll work better than this here. But try to fit this thing down in here snug, very snug. Alright, don't worry about your edges and all that. Just make sure that your pie is in here pretty snug. And some people go ahead and they pre-bake their pie crust. I ain't too worried about it. And I'll show you what to do with these edges as we go on. But this is what I want. This is how you want it right here. Make sure that it's fitted in here pretty well. Alright, so we got that. We're going to go ahead and take our chocolate filling and we're going to pour it right on up in there. Told you don't worry about the lumps. Get all that goodness in there. There you go. Alright, we got our oven set at 425 degrees. This is what I'm going to do next, y'all. I'm just going to take the edges and fold it all the way down. Just fold the edges all the way down. Alright. So, now what you're going to do is I'm going to take a knife and I just want to trim right down here at the edges. That's all I want to do. Just trim right up under that. Just trim right up under it. Let me spin it. See, this is why I like this here pie crust versus the store-bought brand. Alright, so we got that trim, right? So, next thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you two little ways that you could do it. First way you could do it, just take your fork, you know what I'm saying? You could go this, the way I like doing is the end down. Because since you already got a curve and your fork got a curve, you know what I'm saying, this will be better. So you could just press into it with a fork, get your little design that way, you know what I'm saying? But how I like doing it, let me get a spoon right quick. I take a spoon, this works good with, you know what I'm saying, homemade pie crust too. I take a spoon, press into it, then come in here again, and then come in here, and then come in here. See, this is a beautiful design. You know what I'm saying? That's if you got time to go through all of this. Those are just one way you could do it. But I like this one. And make your crust stand out a little bit better too, you know? So it's pretty much you'll hit the top part, then lap it down. And hit the edge again, lap it down. So this is pretty much, man, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and toss this in the oven. Oh, let me give y'all a close-up on this right quick. Our stove is at 425 degrees. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this pan right at the bottom, square in the center. Because I'm going to put my pie right in the center. I want that pan to catch anything that drip off of it. I'm hoping that it do not drip. You got to be careful with this, and this stove is hot. 425 degrees is pretty high, y'all. But what we're going to do, I'm going to put some water in that pan later too, because if something falls in that water catches, it won't burn up. Alright, so I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. At 425 degrees, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I got the pie out of the oven. So I put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes was up, I went on and I changed it to 325 degrees, and I let that cook to about 30 to 35 minutes until it got firm. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cool off, and I'm going to go ahead and add some more of this here chocolate fudge on top. Then we'll be finished with it, y'all.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey, what's up? This is Ray Mack from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I want to say thank you so much for watching and tuning in to this here video. If you like the content that you've seen, please give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment. I like to hear your feedback. And what's most important, is that you hit that subscribe button. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channels. There will be more videos coming in the up and coming future. Once again, I say this at the end of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.